In one of our previous videos, we have shown you how to edit and work with subtitles. There is a link in the description for it. Here I wanted to show you how to edit the subtitles in a new way. We have added the new functionality, which is the subtitle editor. And basically after you upload the video, you will be able to click on the edit button of it. The new subtitle editor will open up. And then watch
2021, as a free agent, you came to the club which was playing Euro Cup in that moment.
As well. If you notice anything wrong, you can edit it very simply. Just click on what you want to change, and it is edited. Here is a mistake. It's not ABBA League, like a music band, it's ABBA League. Also move these timings of these subtitles, or change how long they are shown on the screen, add new ones if you need, or delete them. After you finish, you need to click on Save File or directly export VTT file. When the file is saved, it is also changed in the Letterworks. The new possibility is also the SRT transcriptions, subtitles, sorry. So basically you can download the VTT file or the SRT file with everything whichever format you need, and you can use them as you want. That is it for today. Thank you.